Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the final semester of your BTech course. I think there will be some lag while I'm talking and while it's streaming on the YouTube channel. Kindly bear with us because we are trying this for the first time. So, if you have any questions regarding whatever I'm talking, please post it on the chat window in the YouTube channel. So, like you all know, I'm going to give you an overview of social network analytics, the elective that you have chosen, and also uh, some of it of how your eighth semester is going to happen. Mostly, your eighth semester classes will be on the weekends because some of you have your internship. So your classes, the final timetable will be out soon, probably by today or tomorrow. So your classes will be mostly on Fridays and Saturdays. So please make sure that you attend those classes because we have adjusted the time such that you will be able to attend it irrespective of your internship on weekdays. So please make sure that you attend these classes. I think on Fridays you will have your major project work updation to be done with your corresponding guides, and on Saturdays you will have your department elective classes as well as institutional elective classes. Okay. So, coming to social network and analytics subject, I'll just share the syllabus with you and I'll give you an overview of the syllabus since we are also handling it for the first time. Okay, firstly, Professor Ranjani, Professor Vijin, and myself will be handling social network and analytics. The four sections are combined for social network analytics. Totally, we'll come up to three sections. Uh, so we will send you the list of students who are in which section and all that. So based on your section, you will have to attend the corresponding class. And for your information, all three of us are handling this subject for the first time. So let's make it interesting, and probably this is going to be the last theoretical subject that you will be studying in your BTech. So let's make the most of it, and any sort of input from your side on how we should take the classes are always welcome. So this is a 3 credit course, and there is no practical or there is no tutorial as such. It's a lecture hour only, 3 lecture hours only. So we have 5 modules, and one more thing I'd like to mention here is the syllabus and the textbook are not really going accordingly as what is mentioned here. Okay, so we have to pick up material from all possible sources, and we'll have to combine them and put them together to create material for this course, and we are already working on it. So uh, study material wise, I think we will provide whatever best we can, and if any of you is interested in contributing to this, you can always get in touch with us. So we have 5 modules here. uh, I have the soft copy of 2 books here, one textbook and one reference book. So probably we will create a classroom, or we'll see what how to go about with that. Maybe we'll create one common classroom for social network and analytics, or maybe section wise we will do it. Since it's an elective, I think it would be better if one single classroom is there for all those who have registered for this. So basically, this course analyzes or gives us information on how these social networks work, basically. So you would have seen of late, social network does not have to be only Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or anything like that. It could be your basic search engines that you use. So if you have observed, let's say you're searching for a particular watch online, okay? So if you have seen, or if you have multiple accounts on social media like on Facebook or Instagram, what happens is automatically you're getting suggestions for those watches. Just that you have searched for a watch, you're getting suggestions for, the best discounts available, or some other brands of watches that are available. So that your data is being tracked by someone, and they are analyzing your data and providing more details on what you would like, or maybe suggestions, or they'll provide related data, all that. So in the first module, you'll be learning about the basic concepts of social network analytics, and how the networks work, what kind of data are involved, what are some of the issues and challenges. So you can say that your data is not secure, obviously, because the moment you have searched for something, you're already getting a list of all the details that are available, or so you can always say that there is someone constantly tracking your data, or constantly tracking whatever you're doing. Then you have different ways or different techniques in which this analysis can be done. So you have something called as linked based, structural based, content based, based on the content, based on the links. So you and your friends, maybe you have a group, you have a set of mutual friends, you all have a particular interest in some topic. So maybe if you are part of that group, then you will get suggestions based on what content is there in that group, or based on what all you work on, based on different links, and how these uh, uh, social network analysis can be represented mathematically, all that. Also you have social networking systems and APIs, that is application program interfaces. So how can they be detected, how can they be classified, and how have they evolved over time? That is about the third module. The fourth module talks about social influence analysis. So maybe uh, you have your tags now. So on Instagram also you have tags. So if you're working on, let's say, art, so you would say hashtag art. So that's a tag. Based on that tag, you can see how many people, you can search based on those tags, or how influential are these social networks, or uh, different ways in which the analysis can take place based on the social influence. That is what the fourth module talks about. And the last module talks about the different tools that are used for these social network analysis. So you have different tools here. There are different case studies. So you will have to be ready for out of the box questions, where you may have to work on some real time problems. See, all of us are on social media. If someone is not on social media, okay, we can give them a case study. Or if you are already part of some social media network, you can take a case study of your own, and you can come up with what are the different challenges that are faced here, or what kind of analysis is done in this case. Based on all these previous four modules what you have studied, you can use a tool and come up with the conclusion based on that particular case. I hope I am audible. I'll just check on the YouTube link. Can someone reply here? So it's sad to see that out of about 185 students who have opted, there are only 77 who have joined. So if you think the subject is easy, I'm not very sure it is. Let's try and make it easy. And I hope that all of you will, now that you're in 8th sem, will not take it for granted that, you know, we just want to finish studying. So I hope you will not take it for granted that this is an easy subject, and just say, okay, let's do whatever is possible, like that. Okay, so that's about it. Like I said, I have the soft copy of Stanley Wasserman and David Easley. I will be sharing it with you all. So Professor Ranjini and Professor Vijin also will be there. So I will discuss with them and I will get back to you all as to whether only one classroom is sufficient for all of you, or do we have to keep three different classrooms. Also, on the basis of what is that, your CIA marks division, what components are to be included, and how will the division take place. We will try to keep it as simple as possible. So I expect your coordination and cooperation with all three of us so that this can be done smoothly. And please make sure that you all attend the class even though it's on a Saturday. See, even we will not be uh, you know we also will be working on a non-working Saturday, just so that your portions will be completed. So I hope you will cooperate. Once the classes start, each of us will have separate links, so the student list of which class you belong to and who will be your faculty, all that will be informed to you. We will create a WhatsApp group maybe for easier communication. And yes, I think that's about it. Professor Ranjini or Professor Vijin, if you have anything to share, please kindly unmute yourself and go ahead.
Good morning, all. So, I welcome you all to the final semester of your BTech degree. So, you all are in final year. So, no need to give more introduction about any subject, right? So, as Sharvari ma'am had given you an overview of the subject, what you are going to learn. So, from this only, it's very clear. Subject is very easy to understand, and we will make it more interesting. And we are looking forward for all your cooperation. And again, I am reminding you, your classes will be on Saturdays. So, I request you all to please take it seriously and attend the classes. Uh, that's about again who is handling which section and all the details will be communicated with you, and also the timetable will be shared with you soon. The link from next Saturday will let you know who is handling which section. Accordingly, the faculty will be sharing the link with you. That's all. I wish you a happy new year to all. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Ranjini. Does any of you have any questions? It could be related to SMA or anything else also. That is also fine. I mean, anything else as in your academics, nothing apart from that. Yes, a very happy new year to you too, all of you. Regarding your institutional electives also, I will get back to you because it's still under process. We are consolidating who all are there and what all electives and all that. Totally, how many subjects we have this time? Two subjects and one project. One is department elective, and one more is institutional elective. It's going to be theoretical, but maybe some concepts of like I said, maybe a case study where you will have to practically go and see a case and come to a conclusion on it, like that. Basically, it will be like that. Kiran, you will also have your major project. One department elective, one institutional elective, and major project. That's why your classes will, and Kannada Kali, Kannada Manasu. So more information on that will be given to you in a couple of days about Kannada Kali and Kannada Manasu. Whether they are offering both or all of you will be in one. No labs, Satvik, this time. Eighth semester, no labs. But you'll have to properly work on your major project. Those of you who are not going for an internship have to mandatorily talk to your guides and update them about your weekly progress of projects. Patil sir will be having another session exclusively for all students of 8th semester regarding their major project. But I'm also giving you a heads up. You cannot, get away with the, like just at the last moment you'll do something. No, please start working on your major projects right away. Those of you don't who don't have an internship and you have all the time in the world now, you'll be free on most of the weekdays. Please make sure you start working and get a good, like a working project, so that you will have enough time for your reports and all that in the end. Anything else that you want to ask? Like I said, I'm just hoping that you will be attending classes. As of now, classes will be of online, Ankit Singh. Yesterday, I have sent a mail. So any communication regarding offline classes will be sent to you well in advance. Please, it's a reminder to all of you, not only to Ankit Singh. I have got enough and more messages. Ma'am, when do we have classes offline? When do we have classes offline? So when I get to know, you will be the first one to know after me. So please be patient until then. You will have online classes until whatever information we receive. Even offline, you will get advance notice of when it will be and how it is going to be and all that. So until then, we will have online class. Any other questions? I have already shared the what is that? Pritesh, the semester will end in May itself. Yes, yes. They are trying to finish it by, like May end. So this time, I think since we have started early, your last working day also will be somewhere there, and yeah, exam will be in May only. No changes in that, at least for your batches, because you all are starting at the right time. Nobody has any questions? Shall I stop then? We will get back to you with the timetable, about the classroom, about the meeting links, all that. Okay. Please make sure that you do not take the last semester lightly. How many internals? Same, just meet. No changes in all that. You will have only one internals followed by CBT. No difference in the format of the exam. That and all will continue to be the same. 40 marks, 60 marks, 40, 60 in the end. Total of 40% should be there combined with CIA and external exam. No changes in the format of the exam. Can we quit the meeting now? I'm hoping that there are no doubts. Okay, I think we can quit. Thank you all for joining. Thank you, Professor Anjani and Professor Vijay. Hopefully, we will have an interactive session at least during the classes. Let's see you all on probably Saturday, this Saturday, once we fix all the classroom and meeting links and all that. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, one and all.